Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell here with Caldwell Equipment. Very excited to tell you about the Hustler Spring Sales event that is happening right here at Caldwell Outdoor Equipment on Main Street in DeSoto. All of the Raptor family models are on sale with up to several $100s off. And right now I want to show you one model in particular that's got some extra discounts. I'll show you some of the features. It's a really great machine, so here it is. All right, so this is a very popular seller for us. This is the Raptor XL model, and this is the 54-inch deck. You'll notice that it has a Kawasaki engine. This is a 23 horsepower engine on this model. It's got a nice high back seat on it. And one of the features that's unique to the Raptor XL is it actually has the flex forks are standard. That's this black fork, whereas the standard models are going to have a yellow fork. This is a torsion bar. It actually has some flex to it so that as you drive across rough ground, it smooths out your ride. So this model, heavy fabricated deck, solid welded tube frame. It's got a really simple deck lift mechanism. PTO is electronic. You just pull up on that red button, kick your blades on. This model will mow 3.08 acres per hour. So for a minimal investment, you can really get your lawn mowed in a really fast time. So I want to also show this mower has an extra $250 in rebates right now. It comes off of the price instantly. So the pricing works like this. You could do 0% for 48-month financing on this price. The middle tier is if you want to pay with a credit or debit card. And then the bottom price here, this is if you want to pay cash. So cash, cashier's check, or a 0% for 6-month plan. And we can also honor the cash discount on that plan. But then you take the $250 off of any tier that you choose. So it comes right off of this price here. So that mower hasn't sold that cheap all spring. It's the best time to buy for sure. Financing is really fast and easy. We've got a we've got a service plan that you can do, that you can keep up to 7 years of coverage on that mower just by having the service work done here at our dealership. So check us out online at caldwellequipment.com. Also, you can call us or text us at 636-586-9607, and we'd be glad to hear from you.